This easy gluten-free carrot flatbread recipe is plant-based and it is so easy to make and it tastes good. It is savory and I like to make it for my kids for lunchtime. They love it and they often ask for this carrot flatbread and I do it. It's so quick and easy and in no time I have it put together and in the oven. And then we have it for lunch. So welcome back to our simple home. I need 1 potato, 1 onion, and about 6 or a handful of carrots. I start with peeling the onion. I put the onion aside and peel the potato. I put the potato also aside and cut off the ends of the carrots. Then I just wash the carrots with a brush under running water. If you want, you can peel them, it's up to you, but I just use them like that. I cut the onion into smaller pieces and transfer it into my blender. I cut the potato also into smaller pieces and transfer it also into my blender. If you don't have a strong blender, I would do everything separate. Mix the onion, make sure it's fine, and then the potato, and then the carrots. I also add into the blender. I cut them in pieces and add them to it. I preheat the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I transfer my bowl to the station and mix everything very fine. And here you can see it, it's fine, but not really mashed. I add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of oatmeal flour, and 1/4 cup of tapioca starch. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or oil of choice. Mix everything very well. There you go. This is how it looks. I transfer it onto 2 baking sheets, like prepared baking sheets. I just eyeball it. I never measure it out. So just half here and the other half over there. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. And if you like, you can leave me a comment below, a nice comment, and it helps me and my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Now I spread it out evenly. I usually help with my hand, so it's easier to make it nice and even. Once it's nice and even, I like to cut them into pieces now, not after baking. I prefer to cut it before, and then it's very easy to separate them afterwards. I transfer the baking sheets into my preheated oven and bake the flatbread for about 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on how dark you like them. I switch mine around after 15 minutes. The carrot flatbread is all done. After it is cooled off for at least a little bit, it can be still warm, but it's better if it's cooled off. I put some butter. I use some vegan butter. I can link you the recipe for this one below. We just keep it in a little container. And yeah, I spread some vegan butter on it. I add some lettuce from the garden. Then I add some sliced cucumbers, some onion leek, also from the garden. I put on the top of the flatbread, and there you go, I have the sandwich ready to enjoy. I show you it a little bit close up. There you go. And this is how the flatbread looks like close up. There is no need of yeast or gluten flour, anything of that. It's just very easy vegetables, a little bit of gluten-free flour, and there you go, you have it. Very easy. And this is how I usually take it off. It's also very easy to take off the bread afterwards, especially if you cut it before baking. And it is flexible, maybe not too much, but yeah, it is flexible. And here I just divided it into half. There you can see it, and it tastes good. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe you want to watch this video next or this playlist. See you there. Bye.